Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Notion with Google Calendar. First of all, what we want to do is we have to create an account at notion.com. Once we do that, we want to make this integration happen. First thing, how we can actually make it is through automate.io. I will leave the link in the description under this video. Once we're here at the automate.io, we want to hover our mouse over integrations and we want to go to the bottom left corner and we want to click on see all categories. We want to start with the first app that we want to integrate. The first one is obviously Notion. We click on Notion and now there's an option for a second one. Since we want to integrate Google Calendar, let's search for Google Calendar. As you can see, automate.io is already providing us with some popular integrations. But if you can't pick from those or you need to make a unique integration, you just have to scroll down and create your own integration. The first integration or the trigger will be from Notion. So on the left side, we want to pick the Notion integrations or Notion triggers. Let's go with the first one, new database item. And the second one will be obviously Google Calendar. So let's go with the first in Notion and first in Google Calendar. And now we just have to click on Try It Now. After we click on Try It Now, we will be redirected and you have to log in to Automate and basically just finish your integration. The second way how we can make it is through Zapier.com. So yeah, we also need to create ourselves an account. And once we do that, we want to go to the top left corner of our dashboard and we want to make a Zap. We can name our Zap if you're about to make more of them. So Notion to Calendar, for example, press enter. And it works the same way how it worked at automate.io. You just press the first trigger app, which is Notion. Now we have only one option, so new database item. We click continue. We have to log into the account that we created a couple of minutes ago. We press continue and now we have to choose a database. If you're familiar in Notion and you already work at Notion, probably you have a couple of databases running for you. As you can see, I don't have any. So I just want to show you how it's done on my Notion free account. Now we can go to the second action. Second action, same as at Automate, it will be Google Calendar. We click on Google Calendar, we pick an event, and let's go with Update Event. You click Continue, and the last thing you have to do is just to sign in with the Google Calendar, and that's about it. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.